So we're going to talk about two different products that have similarities, the new ProFoam system and the SwitchTip. So the SwitchTip is a variable metering system that has calibrated holes or orifices to replace the plastic proportioners that you're used to with the Xjet or the M6 Injector. So we can also put the SwitchTip on the ProFoam to also restrict application of product. So if you're shooting our sticky blue, our house wash, our spray and leaf treatments or our degreasers, the SwitchTip will allow you to proportion that quickly and easily as you move around the job. So the simulation of the buckets at 10:1, 5:1, 3:1 is replaced, which will speed up efficiency by simply rotating the dial. So we can go from closed to max open flow. So what I've done here, just to simulate in the video, but you've got easy control, which will improve efficiency to be able to swap. So if you're carrying out a house wash, a degrease, and you have certain areas that require more chem, rather than changing restrictors, it's as simple as rotate the dial to get the consistency that you like. So we'll start with 10:1 on the ProFoam with the SwitchTip engaged in max open flow. The bucket at 10:1. Let's go max flow. Let's wind that back. We'll put it on ratio 2. So you can see there, quickly changing the SwitchTip, adjust your ratio. We'll go to 1. And we'll go back max flow. Quite easy. SwitchTip on a ProFoamer. On the 5:1. Let's go open flow. The sticky blue really does grip. Let's change it over. We'll go 3:1. You can see the coverage there. So if you're spraying your SH and you really need that dwell time, to be able to control it simply by rotating the SwitchTip at your fingertips is going to be very, very useful. M6 Injector or Xjet. Open flow. We're in a bucket at 10:1. I'll change the ratios as we go through, and we'll do some high shots and also some fans. That's open flow at a ratio of 10:1. Let's cut it back to 2:1. We'll cut it down again, 1:1. And the ratio chart can be seen on the website, just like the standard proportion of tips for the Xjet and the M6. We can go closed for a rinse. Or we can go back to max flow. It really does make it easy. We'll change it up, show you how the sticky boo foams. We'll stick it in the 3-to-1. Number 5, increase the concentration from the draw bucket. That's max draw with quite an increase in concentration of the sticky. We'll just go for a rinse, which is closing off the restrictor. That's the SwitchTip and the new ProFoam from us here at Blue Tongue Industries. Thanks guys, and appreciate you watching. Catch you on the next video.